welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing January Boxycharm, which is longer overdue. I've been waiting on doing this video for a little while now. I just was trying to find some time. I've been busy. So today we create this pretty look using the beautiful eyeshadow palette that came in the box and some of the other products. So let's dig into this box so this video don't get so long. First, I'd like to say thank you so much for my 10 subscribers. I love you guys to my back. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my channel. So today Boxycharm, this box is all about fresh start. Ooh, I like that. And this is the little card that come in the box. And if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, you don't know what it is. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription. They have a few different boxes, but this is the base box. For $25 you get this box with 5 full-size products that normally it's end up like around $125, or you can have box premium that's $35 a month and you get like over 175 worth of product, if I'm not mistaken. And they also have like a quarter of the box, like a Boxyluxe box pop-up. Now we're going to be trying all the products in the box. So yes, so the first thing in the box, oh my gosh, this palette, I'm so obsessed about it. It's so pretty. It's from London, the Velvet palette. This is the palette here. So here is the palette. It's so beautiful. So many beautiful shades here, and we're going to be trying this on this video as the videos go on. So now I'm just gonna finish showing you guys all the product that comes in the box, because when we finish showing you guys, I'm going to try all of them. You guys can see this London palette retails for $30. This is such a great value for $30 for this palette. There's so many beautiful matte shade and shimmery shade. They're just so stunning, and this is a new launch too, so $30 well worth it. And the second thing here is this Deep Seaweed 2% BHA Pore Cleanser Toner from Pharmacy, and we're also going to be trying this on this video. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how the bottle looks. This is how the toner looks. It looks really good, and you guys know that I'm obsessed about skincare. This is a Deep Seaweed 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner with moringa and papaya. So looking forward to this. I really love a good toner, and this one retails for $28. I'm gonna link the link down below of this video for Boxycharm, where you can find all this product. And the next thing here, this little palette, High Def Glow Illuminator Duo from Laura Garland. This one is the Heart of Gold, and it's really pretty. We're using today the highlighters. It's really beautiful. Give you a beautiful sheen, like a natural goldy glow without make you look shimmery like some highlighters do. So I'm really excited for this. Oh, I'm gonna open and show you guys really quick. This little High Def Glow Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold retails for $33. So it's definitely worth it. It's very beautiful shimmer and sparkle. And the next thing here is this Dr. Brand Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Ooh, I'm super excited for this. I do have, you know, a lot of products from Dr. Brand. They are amazing. They do fabulous skincare, and I'm a huge fan. So, and the eye creams on them is one thing that I really enjoy, and I'm so excited for this triple peptide eye cream. So this deep hydrating peptide powered eye cream helps diminish all the sign of age around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circle, and puffiness, for refreshed, younger looking eyes. Ooh, for all skin types. So I'm very excited for this. And this little guy here retails for $82. So yeah, I'm very excited for this. So last but not least, Boxycharm is this Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, and this is so amazing. I actually have on my lips, under my lipstick. It's so hydrating. Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm It's citrusy, tropical aroma and a silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C to null to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is an all-natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, super lips. Ooh, I'm so excited for this. And this lip balm here we're gonna be trying today, like I told you guys, retails for $33. Wow, so looking forward for this. And this is all for this January 2021 Boxycharm fresh start. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so let's try out the product so you guys see how they look on the skin.
Summer nights that we're chasing, this feeling to last forever, forever. Become alive when we're faded. Summer nights that we're chasing, this feeling to last forever, forever. Become alive when we're faded. Summer nights that we're chasing, this feeling to last forever, forever.
And I see you guys next video.